You try pills, you try supplement, maybe a testosterone cream or injection from those online clinics, maybe even some clinic where you may have shockwave or some other treatment, and you're still stuck. And if you're anything like the men I see in my office, you're not just only frustrated, you're starting to wonder if this is who you're going to be from now on and you're stuck. Well, I'm Dr. Truong. I'm a board certified physician. For the past 25 years, I've treated over 7,000 men with erectile dysfunction. I want to tell you something that nobody else has told you. You didn't fail. The tools fail you. So stay with me on this episode, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why everything you tried hasn't worked and what actually will. Let me tell you what I hear every single week in my clinic. Men come in and they say, Dr. Ann, I've tried everything. I took Viagra, Cialis, maybe it worked for a while and then it stopped. I've done the testosterone supplement, the testosterone injection, the herb, the zinc, the ashwagandha. I took the supplement and they read article and they research YouTube video. Maybe they even saw another doctor who told them your testosterone is fine and then sent them home. And guess what? They are still stuck. And what most men don't say out loud, but I can see in their eyes is this: I'm starting to think this is permanent. Well, I have to live with this. I want to be very direct with you. That thought, the feeling that you are somehow the exception, the one person that cannot be fixed, that is not the truth. That happens when the wrong tools are applied to a problem that wasn't properly diagnosed. Take for Randy. Randy had ED for 40 years. He was 78 years old, an age where most men would just say, well, I'll just live with it, right? Well, but he doesn't. He came to my office. He said that he had tried everything on the internet, multiple doctors, nothing has worked. His wife even left him. He was alone. He said, I was ashamed, but I wanted to see if there is another chance. So he came to see me, and now, after treatment with the Get Hard system, he's having an erection, he's maintaining it and keeping it, and he's now regaining confidence, and now he knows that he can perform, and he's back on the dating scene again. So nothing is irreversible. So let this land. 40 years, 78 years old, and we reverse it. That's it. Just know that you are not broken and that it can be fixed with the right tools. Here's what most men and most doctors don't understand about erectile dysfunction. An erection is not a simple thing. It is not just blood flow. It is not just testosterone. It is not just stress. An erection is a symphony. It is a beautiful symphony that our body has to respond to, and it requires 6 different biological systems in your body, from your brain all the way down to your penis, to play in perfect coordination. The 6 systems of erection are: 1, the brain. Every erection starts here, not in the penis. The brain sends the ignition signal. Stress, trauma, and even nerve disruption can cut off that signal before it even reaches the body. And it's game over, guys. If it doesn't start in the brain, it's not going to go anywhere below the belt. System number 2. This needs to work in symphony now with system number 1, system number 2. System number 2 is the emotion. Anxiety and performance fear are not weakness. They are biochemical events that shut down the sexual response cascade. So you cannot overthink or discipline your way out of this. In fact, you have to relax in order for the signal from the brain to move to your emotion to go to the next step. And the next system is the hormone. Testosterone is just one fuse in a 10-fuse electrical box. It's a full hormonal cascade such as thyroid, cortisol, estradiol, dihydrotestosterone, prolactin. All must be in balance. That most men have only one fuse to check, which is testosterone, but you need to check the whole spectrum of the hormone that is released. System number 4, the nerve. These are electrical signals that travel the nerve down from the brain to the blood vessel. Diabetes, prostate surgery, and even certain medication can damage these pathways over the years. System number 5, an erection is fundamentally a blood flow event, and the penile arteries are smaller than the heart arteries, so they show vascular damage first. So ED is often a vascular problem before it becomes a cardiac one. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. System number 6, the penile muscle. The corpus cavernosum is a muscle. It requires blood flow, nerve input, and regular use to stay healthy. Without treatment, it can stiffen up and atrophy over time. Now, I want to ask you a question. When you took Viagra, how many of those 6 systems was it addressing? 1, temporarily blood flow for a few hours. But when you ordered the testosterone cream online, how many systems was it addressing? Even not only cream, but even injection. 1? Well, it only increased testosterone. That's it. It ignores the other 5 systems. So when you took the herbal supplement, which one of the 6 systems was it actually helping? None of them. So that's not a failure on your part. That's just honest math. Here's an analogy I use with my patient. Imagine you have a cavity and you can brush better, you can floss better, you can cut the sugar, and all that will slow the decay. But there's only one point where no amount of brushing fixes the cavity. You need a dentist to remove the decay and fill it. So ED caused by damaged blood vessel, that requires clinical repair. ED caused by nerve damage from prostate surgery, that requires clinical intervention. ED caused by hormones imbalance that nobody ever fully measure, that requires a specialist who actually looks for it. So this is not a willpower problem. This is not an age problem. It's a biological problem, and it can be fixed. Now, I have to tell you something that your regular doctor probably hasn't told you, and I'll tell you this not to frighten you. I tell you this because it is true, and you deserve to know. What happens when ED goes untreated? The blood vessels in your penis are smaller than the one in your heart, so they show damage first. So ED is often the first sign of heart disease. So if you have ED 5 years down the road, you may have a heart attack. So just know that 67% of men with untreated ED will have a heart attack in 7 to 10 years. And 7% of those are fatal, a heart attack. So ED is moderate today, typically will become severe in about 18 months without proper intervention. Penis tissue that could be recovering right now may become permanently atrophy or get smaller in 3 years without treatment. Viagra and Cialis, they do not slow this progression. They mask the symptoms while the underlying damage continue. So I want you to sit with that for a moment here, okay? Just let that sink in, because I see men every week who spend 5, 10, 15 years managing ED with a pill while the real problem keeps getting worse. Now, would you do that to your heart? No. So ED is just not about sex. It is a signal. It's a signal that deserves real answer and real intervention. So in 25 years, I've watched men fall into the 3 patterns when they hit this wall. First one is denial. It's not that bad. I'll just pop the pill when I need to. It'll work. It worked for now. Remember, but the pill is only a band-aid on an infected wound, and the wound will continue to be infected until you require an amputation. So the wound will get worse over time. Trust me, your ED will not go away if you take the Cialis or Viagra. Number 2, distraction. Avoiding your partner, avoiding intimacy, filling the space with work, or watching TV, or anything that means that you don't have to face it. But avoidance is not a strategy, it's just a slower kind of loss. And you know that you're not addressing ED head on. And the third excuse is more of the same. Another supplement, another research, another online clinic, another Google search at 2 in the morning. Listen, ED is complex, guys. Oftentimes, you really need to see the specialist to figure this out, especially if the medication is not working for you. But don't even start with the medication, because if you start with the medication, you're going to go down a black hole at this time. So I want you to start thinking about that. Go to a specialist that's been doing this for a while. So if you are on these three paths, none of these three paths lead anywhere that's going to find you a solution. I know this because I've sat across men who took all three for years before they come and see me in the clinic. And I want you to hear what they say after the treatment. Like, for instance, Carl. Carl had prostate cancer, had surgery that removed the prostate, was suffering with ED for 5 years. The doctor kept giving him medication and it didn't work. And the doctor said, well, maybe you need a penile implant. Well, he's 50 years old. And he said, no, I'm not ready for that yet. He joined the Modern Man Club and started instituting what I teach about the Get Hard system. And within about 1 to 2 months, he was getting morning wood again. And after 3 months, he's having sex 3 times in the weekend. His girlfriend came and he started to enjoy life again. He said, I have more confidence in and out of the bedroom. I notice morning erection 3 to 5 times a week now. So what I want to tell you that even with prostate removal, you can still do well. So what do you do when you try everything and you're still stuck? You stop trying single tools on a 6-system problem. That is exactly why the Get Hard system evolved. It is the only protocol that systematically evaluate and treat all 6 biological systems for every man individually. No guessing, no generic plans, no one size fits all. Okay? So step 1 is that we address the hormones. We address the inflammation of the blood vessel, where I do a full blood evaluation of all your hormones and what inflammation is going on. Step 2, we reverse the blood flow problem with using your own stem cells, such as the platelets from your blood, to restore more blood flow to your penis. We do shockwave therapy, again, to restore more blood flow to the penis and get rid of all the scar tissue that is in there. Step 4 is the Botox, which is very interestingly, it relaxes the penis so the penis can be able to get engorged with blood. If the penis is not relaxed, it will not be able to fill with blood. And then step 5 is Kegel rehabilitation. This is the physician-guided protocol to rebuild your pelvic floor again, because the pelvic floor muscles are the one that keep the blood in the penis to keep it rigid and to keep it firm for functionality. And then step 6 is for you to continue with the diet, the exercise, the sleep optimization that you need to do on a daily basis. We give you that in an app in your pocket for you to use every day. So Randy is 78, he had 40 years, is able to reverse it. Carl had prostate surgery, able to reverse it as well. So this protocol is designed to fix the system to get your body working again. So if you're watching this and you recognize yourself in any of what I've described, if you try pills, the supplement, an online clinic, and if you're starting to think this may be permanent, I want you to do one thing. Check out the link down below here and book a free discovery call with my team to see how we can help you get out of ED and get back to living again. If this sounds like something you want to try, check out the link here, because you know that you are not broken, that they're all alternative. Check out my testimony on my website as well. So having said that, I also would love it if you can subscribe to the channel and share this with somebody that you feel may benefit from the information, as well as click notification, and just know that you are not alone. There are alternatives. I'll see you in the next episode. And you have not tried everything. you just tried the wrong thing. Try the Get Hard system.